Hey there, fellow money-savvy friends. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development that's making waves across America. Can you believe that Social Security payments have finally hit a milestone that many thought was impossible? That's right, we're talking about average monthly payments reaching $2,000 for low-income seniors. And this is huge news that affects millions of Americans. Before we dive deep into this game-changing development, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial news and tips that could impact your retirement planning. The Social Security Administration's recent announcement has sent ripples through the retirement community, marking a historic moment in the program's 88-year history. But what does this $2,000 monthly payment actually mean for our seniors? And how did we get here? Let's break down this remarkable achievement and understand its implications for both current and future retirees. Think back to 1935 when Social Security first began. The average payment was just $22.60 per month. Now, adjusted for inflation, that would be around $440 in today's dollars. The jump to $2,000 represents not just a numerical increase but a fundamental shift in how we support our elderly population. But here's a question worth pondering: is this increase enough to meet the rising cost of living in today's economy? The path to this milestone wasn't straightforward. It's the result of years of policy adjustments, cost of living increases, and advocacy for senior citizens' rights. The recent inflation surge played a significant role, leading to one of the largest cost of living adjustments, COLA, in Social Security's history. But what's particularly noteworthy is how this increase specifically benefits low-income seniors, who often struggle the most with making ends meet. Let's consider what $2,000 monthly means in practical terms. For many seniors living on fixed incomes, this boost could be the difference between choosing between medications and groceries or being able to afford both. It could mean maintaining independence longer, staying in their homes, or having the ability to cover unexpected medical expenses. But here's another question to consider: how does this payment compare to the actual cost of living in different parts of the country? The impact varies significantly depending on where you live. In rural areas, $2,000 might provide a comfortable cushion, while in urban centers like New York or San Francisco, it might barely cover basic housing costs. This geographic disparity raises important questions about the effectiveness of a one-size-fits-all approach to Social Security benefits. Should there be regional adjustments to account for these differences in living costs? One of the most significant aspects of this milestone is its timing. As baby boomers continue to retire in record numbers, the strain on the Social Security system has never been greater. The program faces numerous challenges, including long-term funding concerns and the changing ratio of workers to retirees. How will this increased payment level affect the program's sustainability? This is a crucial question that policymakers and economists are grappling with. The increase to $2,000 also highlights the evolving role of Social Security in retirement planning. Originally designed as a supplement to retirement savings, Social Security has become the primary source of income for many seniors. According to recent statistics, about 40% of retired Americans rely on Social Security for 90% or more of their income. This dependency raises concerns about the adequacy of retirement savings and the future of retirement security in America. But there's more to this story than just the numbers. The increase represents a broader societal commitment to supporting our elderly population. It reflects a recognition that after decades of contributing to the workforce and paying into the system, seniors deserve a dignified retirement. However, this raises another important question: how can we ensure this support continues for future generations? The $2,000 milestone also brings attention to the broader discussion of retirement preparedness in America. While this increase is certainly welcome news for current beneficiaries, it underscores the importance of additional retirement savings and planning. Should we be doing more to encourage and facilitate retirement savings earlier in people's careers? Looking at the demographics most affected by this increase, we see that women and minorities often benefit the most from these higher payments. This is particularly significant given that these groups historically have faced greater challenges in accumulating retirement savings due to wage gaps and other systemic inequities. How can we build on this progress to create more equitable retirement outcomes for all Americans? The technology factor plays an interesting role in this development too. The Social Security Administration has modernized its systems to handle increased payment amounts and process claims more efficiently. But with this modernization comes new challenges. How can we ensure that seniors, particularly those who might not be tech-savvy, can easily access and manage their benefits? Another crucial aspect to consider is the ripple effect this increase has on the broader economy. When seniors have more disposable income, they tend to spend it locally on goods and services, which can stimulate economic growth in their communities. But this raises another question: how can we balance the need for adequate senior support with the economic implications of increased government spending? The healthcare dimension of this milestone cannot be overlooked. With medical costs continuing to rise faster than general inflation, the $2,000 payment level helps seniors better afford necessary medical care and prescriptions. However, is this enough to cover the increasing healthcare costs that seniors face? How does this interact with Medicare coverage and other healthcare programs? Looking ahead, there are several key considerations about the future of Social Security payments. Will this $2,000 level become the new normal? How will future cost of living adjustments be calculated? What measures are being considered to ensure the long-term viability of these payment levels? These questions are crucial for both current and future retirees. The international perspective is also worth considering. How does this $2,000 payment level compare to retirement benefits in other developed nations? Are there lessons we can learn from other countries' approaches to supporting their elderly populations? These comparisons could provide valuable insights for future policy decisions. Education and awareness about Social Security benefits remain crucial challenges. Many Americans don't fully understand how their benefits are calculated or what strategies they can use to maximize their payments. How can we improve financial literacy regarding Social Security and retirement planning? What role should employers, financial advisors, and the government play in this education process? The impact on younger generations is another important consideration. While this milestone is celebrated for current seniors, it raises questions about the program's future. Will younger workers be able to count on similar benefits when they retire? How can we balance the needs of current retirees with the program's long-term sustainability? As we wrap up our discussion of this historic milestone, it's important to remember that Social Security is more than just a government program. It's a fundamental part of the American social contract. The achievement of $2,000 monthly payments for low-income seniors represents progress, but it also highlights the ongoing challenges we face in ensuring retirement security for all Americans. The future of Social Security will likely continue to evolve as our society changes. New challenges and opportunities will arise, and adaptations will be necessary. But for now, this milestone serves as a reminder of the program's vital role in supporting our elderly population and the importance of continuing to strengthen and protect this essential safety net. To stay informed about future developments in Social Security and other important financial news that could affect your retirement planning, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our community of informed citizens working toward a secure financial future. What are your thoughts on this milestone? How do you think it will affect retirement planning for different generations? Share your perspectives in the comments below, and let's keep this important conversation going. Remember, whether you're currently receiving Social Security benefits or planning for future retirement, staying informed and engaged with these developments is crucial for making sound financial decisions. Together, we can work toward ensuring a dignified retirement for all Americans, now and in the future.